Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can search for postdoc position. In this video I'll explore with 4 different ways that you can see for a specific postdoc position for certain country or university, and they will list it out. So let's go and see further how we can do this. So I have created a complete dedicated playlist for postdoc position. I would highly recommend you to watch all these entire videos before you go for this step. So it will give you a clarity like how you can do it. So let's continue with this video. The first way is to search by university or a country region. So for example, if you are looking for a postdoc position in certain country, like for example if you want to do a postdoc in Canada, so you can just type Canada postdoc position in your internet browser and it will show you all the entire results which are coming from different websites. So here you can search for a particular university if you are looking for, or depending on which subject or field you are coming from, you can apply accordingly. So this is the first step where you can search for a specific university or lab. The second way, again a prominent and widely used, is using ResearchGate. So ResearchGate is also one of the best option where you can search for postdoc position. I have created a complete dedicated video where you can follow the step for finding a postdoc position using ResearchGate. I have given the link in description to watch that for particular video. The next 2 amazing websites that I'm going to show you is regarding finding a postdoc position, a specific field. For example, type in your Google browser, that is academic position. So this is the website which shows you the complete list of postdoc position in different countries, different institutions. So you can also create an account, or just let's explore it. So like for example, here we are searching for postdoc position. Then accordingly you can select your subject, apply different filters, and then see which university suits you. So definitely you will find something relevant here which suits your field and your special subject. The one more website which I would like to mention here, Find a Postdoc Position. This is also an amazing website which helps to create job alerts for postdocs and PhDs. So here you can type your keyword like social science, search, and for which countries, which discipline, you just have to type in accordingly and it will come out with all of the universities in the world. So this is one of the best amazing website where you can find different postdoc positions. I would highly recommend you to concentrate, to focus on certain countries and lab and then search accordingly. So it will be easier for you to grab one in your field. I hope I'm able to show you how you can search for a postdoc position in this video. If you have any further questions related to topic, please comment me. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.